Today we're gonna unbox OnePlus Nord Buds 2. The price mentioned here is $3,299. It's imported from China. Alright, let's unbox it and see what's it all about. There they are, and let's see what else is in the box. You do get the red cord and these extra ear tips, a crazy eyes emoji. Okay, we do have the user guide for the Nord Buds 2. Basically a quick instruction manual, you can see here. Right, the other one is the safety and warranty. Okay, let me keep all this aside. Here we have kind of paper peel on here. Okay, so it's not a premium feeling case. What we notice here is the earbuds do have the flat design similar to the case. Okay, let me remove the earbuds. Okay, here we go. Let's look at the case. It's a flat kind of design in the inside. The hinge is okay. We can see the LED indicator, USB-C port on the back for charging, and the pairing button, of course. Behind we can see this information printed with regards to serial number and so on. Talking about the specs of this earbuds, OnePlus claims that it has this 12.4 mm large titanium driver. Also, in order to experience the ultra immersive audio, this has to be paired with the OnePlus phone. Let's look at the earbuds. Call clarity mic over here. Noise cancellation mic on the top. Furthermore, they also have ANC up to 25 dB, and it also includes IP55 sweat and water resistance. Comparing with this Apple AirPods Pro, you can see how similar they both look. So only difference is that the OnePlus has this flat edge and the Apple AirPods Pro has this curved one. Even from this angle, you can see both looks almost identical. Furthermore, we can see the length of both the earphones are almost same. So basically, OnePlus Nord Buds 2 is just an alternative for AirPods, and of course, it's way more cheaper than AirPods with a price tag of 2,500 rupees. Okay, I'm gonna pair this Nord Buds 2 with my iPhone. Here we can see it's listed here. I'm gonna select it. And it's connected successfully. While wearing it, feels pretty comfortable as of now, although I haven't used it for a long period of time. So with the ANC on and the music's playing, it doesn't really sound worse. Now talking about battery life, what you see here is without ANC, that is 7 hours buds only and 36 hours buds along with the case. It also supports fast charging, that is with 10 minutes charge you can use it for 5 hours. With the price tag of $2,499, OnePlus has included a lot of features with decent sound quality and decent ANC performance as well. So what you guys think about this OnePlus Nord Buds 2? Let me know in the comment section below. As always, please hit the subscribe button and like my video. Thanks for watching. Peace.